haven't done a video in such a long time. I feel like it has been forever since I sat down and talked to you guys in this format. I've been super active on TikTok and Instagram, but not on my YouTube, and I'm so sorry for that. Well, that is annoying. Today, I finally have a full day alone at home. I mean, not alone, my mom is here, and also I'm going out in the evening, so not a full day, but you know, I just thought I would make the most out of it and just spend it with you guys. It will be like a typical, you know, spend a day with me. And what's exciting is that in the evening, I have like an influencer event slash concert with Converse. I'm going with my, you know, one of my influencer friends there, so I'm super excited. Also, it's a concert from this artist. I absolutely love her. She's Czech, so yeah, whatever. I'm excited. But let me start the video with something even more exciting. I got some new dresses! All of these items are from the brand RetroStage. It's like a very retro-esque brand, if you can't tell from the name. Basically, you can find beautiful designs of retro dresses. They are inspired by each decade, so you can find dresses from, you know, 1920s to 1960s, and it's all very funky, very colorful. I also have a code. You can use this code for 20% off, so that's very exciting. But yeah, let me jump right into it. I've been staring at this pattern for the last week, and I've been so excited to open it, so let's just start with this one. Oh my god, this is gonna be the perfect summer dress. Look at this pattern, the little bow right there. Oh my god. Okay, it is a little too big, like in my waist it is very loose. I would like it to fit like this. However, I got this in size small, and usually like my regular size is extra small, so I do get that it is a little bit bigger. And you know, it's an easy fix. I can either alter it or just, you know, put 2 safety pins here and tie it in the back with a ribbon and it will be fine. But this is just such a beautiful little retro summery dress. I'm absolutely in love with this color. Like this color of green, I feel like very complements my skin tone. I don't know. Also, the straps are adjustable and there's a beautiful zipper in the back, so it's very comfy. The next dress is a little bit sexier. It's a little different than this. Okay, it's like this milkmaid type of bodice, but it's in black, so it's like very sexy. Let me put it on. Okay, this is how the second dress looks. It is very big on me, unfortunately, but I got it in size small again, so you know, makes sense. However, there's this beautiful lace-up detail in the back, so I feel like I can adjust it. I laced it up as tight as it could go, and it looks way better in my opinion. Like the only thing is that it is still a little looser. Also in the back, like there's this little bump right under the lacing, but I don't think it's really that bad. Like it's still a beautiful, sexy dress. I feel like if I would pair it with black boots, this would be such a beautiful little date night outfit. Oh my god, I can't speak. I tried to remove my bra just to see how the cups will hold my boobies up on their own, and they're not doing the best job. Like from the side, I feel like it looks a little awkward, but that's just because there's no corset in this. Like it's all just fabric, so it makes sense. And again, I don't think they're doing the worst job ever. Like I still think, you know, they look nice and sexy. So let me put my bra back on just to see. Okay, I think now it looks better. Maybe it's just me. Maybe it's like just the feeling of the bra that makes me feel more supported. However, I will definitely have to wear it with a different bra because the bra straps are showing. But yeah, this is a beautiful dress, super sexy, super dainty, so yay. Okay, the last but not least is this piece right here, which is a full-on denim overalls. And this is the overall on. Again, very retro, but I don't own anything like this. I haven't seen anything like this, and it absolutely gorgeously complements my body. I feel like thanks to this belt, I just feel like a 70s queen in this. I just want to wear like something very fun and colorful with this. I feel like this is a perfect piece for the summer. The only thing that I'm missing from this are pockets. That would be the last detail that I would absolutely love, but even without it, this is so cute. Yeah. Also, this denim is not denim at all. It's like a cotton fabric, so it's very breathable, very light, perfect for the summer. So yeah, that was this little haul. Now let's move on to the rest of my day. just made this beautiful dish for lunch. Oh my god. I just tasted it and it tastes amazing. These are cauliflower pancakes. It's basically just boiled cauliflower with the leaves and the stem and everything. Which I blended until smooth. Then I added 2 eggs and a little bit of flour. Fried it on a pan and Anyways, I also have a big question to ask you. Because, as you know, I switched to filming in Czech on my Instagram and TikTok, and I've been also sharing the Reels and TikToks onto my YouTube Shorts, and it has been getting quite a good amount of views. So I've been thinking that maybe I should just switch to filming in Czech completely. That being said, I just have hit 20,000K on YouTube, and I just want to thank you so much for doing that. Like, it's crazy that so many people watch my videos and so many people support me. So yeah, I'm internally grateful. Thank you so much. But that being said, 20,000 people are subscribed to my channel. However, when I post a long video like this, it usually only ends up getting only like 1,000 views, which I'm still super grateful for. But you know, that means that only this percentage of subscribers actually watch my videos. So that's why I actually wanted to film this video, because I wanted to ask you directly, because you know, you are the person that actually watches these videos, and ask you, what do you prefer? Like, do you prefer these types of videos in English, or would it be okay with you if I switch to Czech? Like, do you care or not? Do you want Czech or English? Just please let me know in the comments. It's a big decision for me, and obviously I don't want to rush it, and your guys' opinion matters the most. So if you could let me know in the comments, that would be amazing, and then we can continue this journey in a different language or the same. We'll see. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna demolish this food, and then we'll see. It's almost time to start getting, not almost, it is time to start getting ready for the influencer event / concert today. And I'm starting to get a little anxious. I haven't been to this type of event in a long time. Also, I need to know exactly the plan when I'm going somewhere. And this is like very unplanned. The event starts at 5:30, but they told me to get there at 6. And then the concert starts at 7. So like, what am I gonna be doing for the hour in between? I cannot handle small talks with strangers, you know? So I'm overthinking a little bit, as you can tell. So let's just put on a bomb-ass outfit to compensate the awkward conversations that I'm gonna have. The first thing is a long black skirt. Is that boring? Yes. But I'm also supposed to be wearing Converse, and I want to wear these because these are like safe, because I don't want to be too much out there, because when I like overdress, I tend to get super anxious. So you know, I'm trying to just be comfy, be in my element. So this is the skirt on, and then I stole this for my sister. It gives me White Lotus vibes for some reason. I don't know why. I just am obsessed with the show, so pretty much anything gives me the vibe. I feel like this looks good, but also like it's missing something. I'm also not used to this silhouette. Oh my god, I'm super anxious. I think it's good, however, I'm dressed like it's gonna be 30 degrees outside and it's 15, so... Okay, I think this coat and this scarf is the best for this option. I also do have this leather jacket, but like, I feel like it's too oversized. But I do think I like the top better with the pants than the skirt. So yeah, this is the option number 1. Let me show you the second option. Okay, this was supposed to be the option number 2, but I'm scratching it. So I think the pants and the top it is. Shit, I really don't know what to do now. Guys, I've been stressing like a freak, and I think this is the final outfit. I stole this very funky shirt from my sister. I will cover myself in a trench coat because that's what brings me the most comfort, and I need to stop stressing. Oh my god, I don't know. I'm done stressing over this. This is my hair. I think it looks bloody gorgeous. I also put a little fun lipstick, these funky earrings, funky rings, and I look good. Okay, let's go. Okay, update. I'm freaking out. My friend just texted me that she doesn't feel well and she doesn't know if she wants to come. And it's supposed to be starting in less than half an hour, so I don't know what to do now. How fun. I think I'm just gonna go, even if she doesn't go, because I put all of this effort into this now. I can just like go and check it out. And if it's like very awkward, I will just leave. But yeah, I'm gonna step out of my comfort zone. Let's go. Wish me luck. Just got home. I'm a little drunky. No, I'm not. I'm actually really okay. But I had 3 drinks, which usually like, oh my god, there's a huge spider. Ew! Okay, I caught it. I caught it. I caught it. Oh my god. He is in there. He is in there. Okay, ew. Oh my god. Jesus, I'm so sorry. I really am not exaggerating. I always had a huge fear of spiders since I was a little kid, so I'm not just a stupid blonde. Where am I? Anyways, the concert was amazing. Jesus. Even if you are not from Czech Republic, go listen to her, okay? Anyways, I made myself a pair of Converse. Let me show you. See? It has my name or like my nickname. And then these 3 little beads right there. And then I also made a little tote bag. I kind of messed this up though because there were so many people and I started stressing. I don't know why I did the frame like this. It just really is not the vibe. If it would be just the shoe, it would be cool. But like this is very bad for this. But yeah, the shoes were nice. The shoes are nice. Anyways, I am craving a midnight snack. Let's do this. I still have a lot of the dough from the lunch. If you think I'm gonna be washing the pan, you are completely mistaken. It's 22:33. That was a lot of oil. Well, we're not on a diet, so it's fine. I think this is enough. Come on. Yeah. Okay. I'm so stupid. I literally started eating without showing you, but that's just because I got stuck watching my own stories on repeat. If you didn't know, I'm a huge narcissist. No, I don't think so. Like, don't we all do this? Don't we all rewatch our stories like 20,000 times? This just never gets old. Anyways, guys, let me know about the Czech and English. You know, if I should film in Czech or English, because it's been bothering me for a long time. And, you know, your guys' opinion matters the most. Other than that, thank you so much for supporting me. Like, I cannot believe we hit 20,000 people. 20,000 people. That's like a whole arena. That's more than a whole arena of people. That's crazy. Anyways, I love you. You know, subscribe to my Instagram and my TikTok. It's not subscribe. Follow me. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok and Vinted and Pinterest. And go check out my brand. And that's it. Oh, and go check out RetroStage. They're beautiful dresses. And use my code to save you some money. Anyways, I love you so, so much. Good night.